much better.
What did you mean when you said I'm not like my brothers and sisters? What is different?
Well, dear, for one thing, I'm sure you can swim much better than they can.
Really? You really think so? And what else?
You must try to remember it's what's on the inside that matters, not what you look like.
What's Mama Lady? It's sort of an orange preserve like we found on toast.
No, what's Mama Lady?
Oh, my! Ida, listen to me very carefully. Don't make any sudden moves. Walk towards me.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you, something not so nice.
This is your son, dear.
Ah, I created a monster.
Don't be ridiculous. He's just your normal run-of-the-mill pond duck, that's all.
That's all, Ida. I have a reputation.
I know, dear, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
I'm scared. I tell you, he's a turkey.
He is not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
See? You didn't even flinch. Now, I want you all to get spruced up. It's time to meet the other members of the duck yard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drake, stop staring at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, so you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you now, follow me. And be close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat. Look at him, legs are bending and knees are not. Look at him. Let the neighbors screaming out, and it's your room. He's a balanced waterfall.
Why are you so rude?
What's touchy?
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
All this obvious.
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
I'm using your reflection.
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off.
Now, that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finds tackle that I ever saw. But still he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the shop. Now, in a moment, you'll be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once married the commander, and you will notice she has a red band of cloth around her leg. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she is looked up to by both men and animals. Now, don't turn your toes on me. Just bow your head politely and say, quack, 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 quack.
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him.
that one in the back. He's not exactly the entrance spotter, is he?
I wish the others wouldn't pick on him so. He'll turn out all right when he gets older.
Well, the others turned out just right.
I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly.
Yes, the Mandarin. He was aromatic and crispy before his time, but still, life goes on. Now, I hear Marine was giving them French bread to throw in the water.
Try! You have to try it. It's better than the usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice. Oh yes, Maureen, it's delicious. Come along, children, try this.
Make way for the red-banded duck.
Honk!
Ida, you really are going to have to do something about that honk.
Oh look, croissants.
Get back, they're too big for your age anyway. Get back, they're too big for your age anyway.
It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me?
If they knew just how dearly I would love to home. But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And no, I'm still their brother. They forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a rat in every litter, a black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Hello, Ducky.